Hey, I'm Sergeant Margraff. I'm just here to talk a little bit about the E ranks and what they mean and what they consist of. So you might hear when people talk to you about the military, and this goes for all the branches, you might hear a term E1 through E9. So E1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All that really means is your pay grade, and that coincides with the rank. I know everyone hears about ranks when it comes to the military, and you'll also hear the pay grade number. So that's all that means is E1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That just means how much you're getting paid, and it coincides with what rank. So the way to go about it is in the Army National Guard, it goes E1, which is private, E2, which is private 2, E3, private first class, and then it starts to get a little hairy here because there's two E4 ranks. It goes specialist and then corporal, and then you got E5, which is what I currently am right now, which is sergeant. And as you can see here, everyone in the National Guard, or Army National Guard specifically, is going to have a rank on their chest like this, and you're going to be able to tell what E rank they are, or E pay grade they are. So, and then it goes from there to E6, which is Staff Sergeant, E7, Sergeant First Class, and then you got another one with two ranks that coincide with the pay grade. So you got E8, which is Master Sergeant and First Sergeant, and then you got another two ranker, which is E9, and that's Sergeant Major and then Command Sergeant Major. And then there's a special rank, which is Sergeant Major of the Army. There's only one of those, and they get appointed, and it's a really cool rank. If you ever see the Sergeant Major of the Army, that you're pretty much seeing the President of the United States, essentially. Like, it's really cool. It's like the President of the enlisted side of the Army. So that's essentially what the E rank is. It's just a pay grade for E means enlisted, and it's just the grade of enlisted that you are. That's all that means.